Hey everyone, we're going to write an equation of the line that passes through a given point and has the given slope. So I already did number 10 here. That's an example, but we're going to do all 5 problems. So if you find one that you would like to really look at, you can just scroll through. So we're going to move on to number 11 and do this example. So the first thing we're going to do is plug in our slope here for number 11. So we're going to write our slope is m, so we're just going to substitute y equals negative 3x plus b. That's because m equals negative 3. The next thing we're going to do is plug in our point, our x and our y. So our y is negative 2 and our x is 5 plus b. So we just substituted in our point. And then we're going to solve for b. So I'm going to simplify this and add 15 to both sides to solve for b. So that's going to be 0. So b equals 13. Now that we have that, we're going to substitute our b back into our equation here. So we have y equals negative 3x plus b. Substitute in the b, so our final answer is y equals negative 3x plus 13. And let's move on to number 12. So we'll go a little faster. We're going to plug in our slope. So you have y equals 1/3 x plus b, because m equals 1/3. Then we're going to plug in our point of negative 3, 2. So it's going to be 2 equals 1/3 times negative 3x plus b. Okay, so simplifying, we have 2 equals 1/3 of 3 is just 1, so that's going to be negative 1, or negative x plus b. All right. So wait. So there wasn't an x here. Sorry about that. So that's negative 1 plus b. Add 1 to both sides. So you get 3 equals b. Then we substitute back in. We write our equation y equals 1/3 x plus b. And substitute in your b. Y equals 1/3 x plus 3. And that's your final answer. All right, the next one. We're getting more into some fractions here. So we're going to write our slope in. This is 13. Y equals negative 4x plus b. That's because m equals negative 4. And then we substitute in our point. Y is 1/2 equals negative 4 times 3 plus b. And that's because our point was 3, 1/2. And then we simplify. So we get 1/2 equals negative 12 plus b. Add 12 to both sides. You get 1/2 plus 12 equals b. And if I write this in fraction form, that's going to be, I'll just write it up here, 1/2 plus 24 over 2. Does that equal, this equals 12. So that's going to be 25 divided by 2 equals b. Now we substitute. So we get y equals negative 4x plus b. And substitute in the b. Get y equals negative 4x plus 25 divided by 2. All right, go a little faster. So we're doing this one. Plug in your slope. That's your slope, and then plug in your point here. So your point is, your y is 3, and your x is 5. Simplifying, you get 3 equals negative 25 divided by 3 plus b. Add 25 thirds to both sides. So you're going to get 3 plus 25 thirds equals b. Now, if you put that in fraction form, we need a common denominator. So that's going to be 9 divided by 3 plus 25 divided by 3 equals b. And so that's going to be 34 divided by 3. Substituting back in, you're going to get y equals negative 5 thirds x plus b. Replace your b with 34 over 3. Negative 5 thirds x plus 34 divided by 3. And the last one, a lot of fractions, so let's look at that one. So we're going to plug in our slope. Y equals 1 half x plus b. We're going to plug in our x and our y. Our y is 1/4, and our x is 1/2. Multiplying, I get 1/4 equals 1/4 plus b. If you subtract 1/4 from both sides of the equation, you're going to get b equals 0. So you have b equals 0. Now we're going to substitute. So you have y equals 1 half x plus b, but b is 0, so you're just going to write y equals 1 half x. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.